Ever wondered what the world's biggest brands use to organize their massive operations? Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic brands of all time, Nike. And to answer your burning question, does Nike use Notion? Let's find out. Notion has become a popular productivity tool for individuals and businesses alike. It's known for its versatility, allowing users to create notes, databases, wikis, and more. But could such a powerful tool be used by a global giant like Nike? Part 1. The case for Notion. Flexibility and customization. Notion's customizable templates and blocks make it perfect for organizing complex projects and workflows. This could be a huge advantage for a company like Nike, which has a vast array of products, marketing campaigns, and supply chains to manage. Collaboration and teamwork. Nike is a global brand with teams scattered around the world. Notion's real-time collaboration features could streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Database management. Nike likely has massive amounts of data to manage, from product information to sales figures. Notion's database capabilities could help them organize and analyze this data efficiently. Part 2. The counterarguments. Legacy systems. Nike, being a long-established company, might have legacy systems in place that are difficult to integrate with new tools like Notion. These systems might be crucial for their operations, making it challenging to adopt a completely new platform. Security concerns. As a global brand, Nike is likely dealing with strict data security regulations. While Notion has security measures in place, there's always a risk of data breaches when using cloud-based tools. Internal culture and resistance to change. Introducing a new tool like Notion could face resistance from employees who are comfortable with their current workflows. Overcoming this resistance might require significant effort and change management. Part 3. The evidence. Social media and online discussions. Search for mentions of Nike and Notion on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and Twitter. Are there any employees or former employees discussing their experiences with the tool? Job listings. Look at Nike's job postings. Do they mention Notion or similar tools as requirements for certain positions? This could be a sign that the company is actively using or considering using Notion. Industry news and reports. Keep an eye out for industry news and reports that mention Nike and their technology stack. These reports might provide insights into their choice of tools. Part 4. The verdict. Weighing the pros and cons. Based on the evidence gathered, assess whether the benefits of using Notion outweigh the potential drawbacks for Nike. Consider factors like the company's size, culture, and specific needs. While it's difficult to definitively say whether Nike uses Notion without official confirmation, the evidence suggests that it's a possibility. The tool's versatility and collaborative features make it a strong contender for a company of Nike's scale. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts on whether they think Nike uses Notion. Ask them to leave comments or subscribe for more tech and business content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or requests for future videos.